I'm going to tell you something most people never talk about. This is not about looks, not about having money, and not about how smart you are. If you want any woman to fall for you, the first thing you need to master is not her. It's yourself. And the truth is, most guys fail right here. Forget everything you've been told about dating. It's not about buying expensive gifts or looking like a model. What truly attracts women is your emotional strength, your ability to stay calm, stable, and unshaken. Trust me, bro, if you don't understand this, no matter how many dating tricks or confidence tips you try, you'll just make it harder for yourself. If you've ever felt ignored, rejected, or seen as unattractive, it's because there's something they see, something you're not even aware of. You don't have control over yourself, and that's why they walk away. But here's the good news. If you can master a few simple principles about self-control, you can make her attracted to you without trying so hard. This isn't just dating advice. This is about becoming a man who has full control over himself. Stop playing the wrong game. Most guys have been lied to about attraction. Society tells you to chase women, give them gifts, flood them with compliments, or worse, become someone you're not. And then you wonder, why isn't she interested? Why did she ghost you? Why didn't it work? Here's the truth. You've been playing the wrong game. You've been taught that dating is a game where you have to win her. But in reality, the more you try to win her, the more you lose yourself. And women can feel that. They have a strong instinct to detect when a man is trying too hard. And the harder you try to impress her, the faster she pulls away. The real solution, master yourself. The only real way to attract women is to master yourself. Let me ask you, when was the last time you truly had control over your emotions, your thoughts, and your actions? If you're like most guys, you still react too easily to her mood, her words, her tests. And if you're always reacting, you're not in control. Now imagine this. You stay calm. You don't panic when she goes cold. You don't overthink when she doesn't reply. You don't rush to defend yourself. You don't get shaken easily. This isn't manipulation. This is what it looks like to be a man with real self-control. And once you reach this level, not only will women start respecting you, your entire life will change. Women don't want to be chased. They want to be drawn in. This is important. Women don't like being chased. They want to be attracted. The moment you stop chasing, stop trying too hard, that's when she starts to feel something different. She starts thinking, why is he different? Why is he so calm? Why isn't he desperate? The answer is simple, because you have self-control. You don't need her to feel valuable, and that is rare. How you speak matters. Most guys think they need cool pickup lines or funny jokes, but that's not what works. Women hear you're beautiful all the time. It doesn't stand out. Here's what works better. 1, use her name. Simple but powerful. Using her name makes her feel seen. Just don't overdo it. Use it naturally. 2, compliment what's unique. Don't just focus on looks. For example, I like the way you talk about what you're passionate about. You really light up. That hits deeper. 3, show genuine appreciation. Women notice the small things. If she does something for you, acknowledge it. Don't take it for granted. Your body language matters. You can say all the right things, but if your body language is off, it won't matter. Don't be fidgety. Don't overmove. Stand straight. Show that you're comfortable with yourself. Eye contact is important too. Not too intense, but enough to create connection. At some point, she will test you through her words, her attitude, or her responses. Most guys panic. They feel the need to explain themselves or prove something. That's a mistake. What you should do: stay calm. Don't overreact. Sometimes a relaxed smile and a short response is more powerful than a long explanation. At the end of the day, this isn't about tricks or manipulation. This is about becoming a solid man. A man who knows who he is and doesn't need validation from anyone. The moment you stop chasing, stop trying to be someone else, and start focusing on becoming your best self, you'll see a massive shift, not just in dating, but in your entire life. So now the question is, do you want to stay the guy who keeps chasing and gets left behind, or become the man who naturally attracts women without even trying? Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. Stay sharp. Stay strong.